So this is our first year harvesting and growing sweet potatoes. We used something, we don't even know what variety they are. They were something organic from Trader Joe's, because we learned that organic is less likely to have the sprout inhibitor put on it. So we grew our slips from the sprouts from I don't know, 4 or 5 sweet potatoes from Trader Joe's, organic, something red, we don't know. We found out that we didn't need nearly that many potatoes, because we ended up with way more slips than we could ever plant. But this was a learning year for us, and we're kind of shocked at the harvest we're getting. We had our first freeze last night.
Hey, James.
And our son just arrived. We had our first freeze last night, and we understand that's the time to pick. So here we are at a harvest. So here we are digging.